This is Joe. We're back with Lake Erie Golf Cars, and we're looking at this 2019 conversion TXT gas 4-passenger golf car. Well, what is a conversion? We're going to get to that in a second, but first let's look at this paint job. This is a nice soft pastel bluish gray. It's a very sharp looking vehicle. We have a lift kit installed. It's going to get you some, I think those might be the Stormbreaker rims. I could be mistaken, but we can get you whatever type of rims you want on some all-terrain tires on it. This golf car also comes equipped with headlights and turn signals as well as hazards. So let's get a little closer look up here to the dash. In the dash, you're going to have the control being your key switch on and off ignition. Then you're going to have your hazards. This is going to turn your flashers on 4 ways to let people know if you need any assistance. To control the turn signals, we're going to look up here on this multi-use switch. First, you'll notice on the outside that we have a button here. That's the horn. Your turn signals will go up and down, corresponding to whatever side you choose. Turn the headlights on. All you got to do is turn this knob. Some nice bright headlights, get you anywhere you need to go. It's handy to have this up here on the switch too. Feels more like a car, more like a vehicle. It has a standard rear seat, so you're not going to have the cup holders or the contoured ribbed seating, but you can still fold it open for storage to see if you, if you need to transport anything along the way. Close that up. You can see underneath, you do have some extra room for storage down there, as well as your brake lights and turn signals. Speaking of brake lights, you notice down here at this pedal how it comes out and spring-loaded some. That you're going to turn on your brake lights. I don't know if you can see them against the wall there. You kind of hear the click. Now, you also have a 2-passenger top, but if you want an extended top to cover the passengers in the rear, you can get one as well. Let's look underneath. So you'll notice underneath, this is a gas golf car. You'll notice there's also tags on this engine. That's right, you're looking at every part here. It's all brand new. The engine, the transmission, the gas tank, all the filters, air, battery, everything is new. Why? Well, because this used to be an electric golf cart. Now, it is a gas golf cart. It gets stripped down to the frame. The transmission is pulled out. The batteries and battery tray is pulled out. It is all replaced, refitted with a new transmission, new engine, and it's good to go. If you're interested in this golf cart, check us out, LakeErieGolfCars.com.